It's just 3 months before the festival gates open to the first of an estimated 2 million visitors, and preparations are still pressing on at a frantic pace. But today attention was turned to just what's to become of the site when the visitors all go home in October. There's been criticism that former festival sites, like this one at Liverpool, were left abandoned and neglected.
We must be realistic and make sure that whatever we retain, we can keep. We wouldn't want to see it after any length of time going back to what it was before.
Today, a joint venture was announced to try to attract £50 million worth of private investment to create a new urban village. The plans include 500 new homes, a technology and a business park, and a village centre with shops, creating, it's hoped, up to 1,100 new jobs.
I want to make sure that the symbol of a garden festival as a regenerator of the whole community lives on. That's why we're establishing a special community on the site for afterwards, for generations to come. And the people who are going to live on this site are going to live in some of the most spectacular scenery anywhere in the world, with jobs locally, with shopping opportunities locally, a real vibrant urban village.
It's hoped the forward planning and marketing during the festival itself will work, but massive investment will also be needed.
What we're out for now is a full-scale regional policy to make the very best use of the money that's already been invested. And so it's a very exciting prospect, in my opinion, and certainly it's a very much better prospect than we would have had if we'd never had the festival.
But more money is needed?
Yes, still more.
There are a lot of lessons to be learnt. Now, we'll be judged by our results, but we reckon we've learnt all the lessons that needed to be learnt, and we thought up some new ideas too.
It was virtually a miracle that have been performed here at the moment.
Do you think you're going to need another miracle afterwards?
We could do with quite a few if you know anywhere we could get them.